Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to lock apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. App lock settings and security guide. How to set up secure folder. Step 1. Open secure folder settings. Open settings on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Scroll down and tap security and privacy. Tap more security settings. Select secure folder. Tap continue to begin setup. Step 2. Sign in and create a lock. Sign into your Samsung account if prompted. Choose a lock method. PIN, password, pattern. Optionally, enable fingerprint unlock for faster access. Complete the setup process. How to lock apps using secure folder. Step 1. Open secure folder. Open the secure folder app from your apps screen. Enter your PIN, password, pattern or fingerprint. Step 2. Add apps to secure folder. Tap the plus add apps icon. Select the apps you want to protect such as WhatsApp, gallery, photos or messages. Tap add. Step 3. Enable auto lock. Inside secure folder, tap the three dot menu. Select settings. Tap auto lock secure folder. Choose each time I leave an app for maximum security. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.